Good morning students, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Yes, so till yesterday what you have done? I think so everybody have read the lesson and understood the lesson. Which lesson we were reading? We were doing chapter number 5 and the name of the lesson was Our Environment and Pollution. Till here we have finished. Now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to do the copy work and book work. Take out your semester book. Open page number 180. Open page number 180. Okay, so till that time can anybody tell me what we did in this chapter? What you have read? Our environment and pollution. What you have studied? Yes, we have studied different types of pollution. And how many types of pollutions are there? There are 4 types of pollution. What are they? Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. Okay, so everybody remembers. And do you know what are the reasons that cause this pollution? Yes, I suppose you remember that also. So, let's do our book work today. So, everybody take a pencil in your hand and you mark with me. Okay? So, let's start. All have opened page number 180. This page. Okay? We are doing this page. Okay, let's start. Shall we start? Yes. Answer time. You keep fingers in your book. Okay? Answer time. Page number is 180. Those who have not opened still. Okay, let's start. A. Tick the correct answer. You have to tick the correct answer. Number 1. Pollution occurs when the environment is dirty, clean. Again I am going to read. Pollution occurs when the environment is dirty or clean. When does pollution occurs? When the environment is dirty or clean? Yes, very good. When the environment is dirty. So what you will do? You will put a tick mark on which option? Dirty option. Put a tick mark on dirty. Okay? Everybody, you are having a pencil in your hand, so put a tick mark on dirty. Okay. Come to number 2. Smoke from vehicles cause air/water pollution. Again you will read. Smoke from vehicles cause air/water pollution. Vehicles, air, what does it cause? Air pollution or water pollution? It will cause air pollution. Why? It is making the air dirty. So put a tick mark on air. Okay? Yes. Number 3. Loud noise causes noise/water pollution. What does loud noise cause? It causes, in the question itself the answer is there. Loud noise will cause noise or water pollution? It will cause noise pollution. Yes, very good. So put a tick mark on noise. Next. Fishes may die due to noise/water pollution. Fishes may die due to noise/water pollution. Why will fishes die when there is pollution in noise or water? In water. Okay? Fishes may die when there is pollution in water. Water pollution is there, then only fish will die. Okay, next number 5. Polluted air is good/bad for our health. Polluted air is good/bad for our health. What will happen if we'll breathe polluted air? We'll get sick. So it is good? No, it is bad for our health. Now, everybody just check your answer once. Okay? Everyone just check your answers. Okay? Whether you have put tick correctly or not. I am going to read only the answers. You check in your books. Okay? Let's start. Number 1. Pollution occurs when the environment is dirty. Dirty. Number 2. Smoke from vehicles cause air pollution. Smoke from vehicles cause air pollution. Number 3. Loud noise causes noise pollution. Number 3. Loud noise causes noise pollution. Number 4. Fishes may die due to water pollution. Fishes may die due to water pollution. Last one. Polluted air is bad for our health. Polluted air is bad for our health. Next, come to the next page. Yes, everyone come to the next page. Yes. Now, very interesting thing. We are on page number 181. In your book, the pictures are given like this. Okay? In how it is given? In straight. Okay? And I have put the pictures like this. Okay? So, now you look on the screens and then give me the answer. Okay? Look at these images. Put a cross against the ones that cause pollution. Now you have to put a cross against those pictures which are wrong. Okay? And we'll put a tick mark against those pictures that are right. So you look here. First we'll do in this. Then you do in your book. Okay? So let's start. First one. What is this picture? This is a picture of a loudspeaker and voice is coming out. So it is right or not? Yes. Tell me it's correct or not? Wrong. Why? Because what will happen? It is causing noise pollution. It causes noise pollution is very loudly, some music or somebody is giving the speech and so many loudspeakers are there. So it will cause noise pollution. So we'll put a cross. Okay. Right now you wait and afterwards we'll put. Okay. Second one. The boy is giving water to the plants in his garden. Okay. The boy is giving water. So it's correct. Right or not? You should. Do you also give water to the plants? Yes. We also give sometimes. Okay. So it's very good habit to give water to the plants. So it is correct. Next. A boy is flying kite. Is it correct or not? Yes, it is correct. Why? Because nobody is getting harmed. Okay, nobody is getting harmed, so it is correct. Very much correct, no problem in that. Next picture. A lady is washing clothes in some water body near the river. Okay, so it's correct or wrong? Why it is wrong? Because it is, what is she doing? She is polluting the water body. River is getting polluted by the clothes and all the soap, whatever she is using in the water. Okay, next one. This man is spitting. Spitting means, anybody can tell me the meaning of spitting? Spitting means thukna. Okay, any place if you spit. Okay, and he's throwing garbage also, paper also like that only he is throwing anywhere, not in the dustbin. So this is correct practice or wrong practice? This is absolutely wrong practice. Okay, so you'll put a cross mark in this. Okay, yes. Last one. So much of smoke is coming out of this vehicle and the smoke is also very, very dirty. See the color of the smoke, black smoke is coming. So this is very, very correct? No, it is wrong. Why? Because if you inhale this, what will happen? You may fall sick. Okay, this is causing air pollution. So now take your pencils and let's mark. Those who have not marked, please mark it right now. First one, loudspeaker. Wherever you see picture of loudspeaker in your book, put a cross mark. Okay, I put a cross here. Garden, boy is giving water. You put a tick mark. Find the picture in your book and put. Third, boy flying a kite. Correct. Vehicles giving out smoke. Cross. Boy spitting. Cross. Lady washing clothes in water body. It's wrong. Okay? Done? So the next question is question and answers. This we are going to write in our copies. Okay? Now turn your page. Now you see two pictures are there. Yes. I have also put two pictures in the background. Okay? There are two pictures. In your book also there are two pictures you can see. So I'm going to read it. Thinking time. Now you have to put on your thinking caps and you have to think. Why do cities have more air pollution than villages? Now you know what is a city and you know what is a village. Those who don't know, no problem. You see the picture and you will come to know. This is the picture of a city where we live. Okay. Bhopal is a city and this is a picture of a village. Okay. Village means gaon. Okay. So difference you can see. So they are asking why do cities have more air pollution than villages? Now you have to think about it. Why pollution is there in this picture and there is no pollution in this picture. You have to think and you have to tell. Okay, so you are going to tell to your parents. I'll give you one hint. It's related to, you can see what it is there. Okay, pollution. And why pollution is not there in villages, that you have to think. You look at the picture and you think. And then you tell to your parents. I ask this question in your online class. Okay? So children, have a good day. God bless you.